A desert turned into an icy landscape within minutes. Massive hailstones, some as large as 8 centimeters, slammed into northern Saudi Arabia, shocking residents and leaving roads blanketed in white. But was this just a rare weather event, or a sign of something bigger? What you're looking at might seem like a winter storm in Europe or North America. But this is Saudi Arabia, one of the driest regions on Earth. On Thursday, a powerful and highly unusual hailstorm struck areas near Hail City in northern Saudi Arabia. And it wasn't light hail. We're talking about ice chunks measuring between 6 to 8 centimeters, large enough to damage vehicles and seriously injure people. Videos from the scene show stunned residents holding massive hailstones in their hands. Some nearly the size of tennis balls, others captured motorists struggling to drive as roads turned slippery and visibility dropped under intense rain and wind. But the most striking transformation was in the landscape itself. Dry wadis, normally dusty empty channels, suddenly turned into rushing streams filled with icy water. For a brief moment, the desert looked almost unrecognizable. This kind of weather is extremely rare for the region, especially during spring. And yet, despite the intensity, reports suggest that widespread damage was limited. No major casualties have been confirmed. However, one viral clip shows just how dangerous the storm became. A car windshield shattered instantly under the impact of hail. Fragments of glass flew inward, injuring a traveler's hand, a stark reminder of how powerful these ice strikes were. Meteorologists say hail of this size forms under very specific atmospheric conditions. Strong updrafts inside storm clouds push raindrops upward repeatedly, freezing them layer by layer until they become too heavy and fall. In this case, those conditions aligned over northern Saudi Arabia in a way that's not often seen. But here's where perception splits. While outsiders see disruption and danger, many locals are calling this storm something else entirely, a blessing. In arid regions like this, rainfall, even in extreme forms, is seen as life-giving. The sudden water flow nourishes the soil. Within days, barren land can begin to show signs of green. And that's why reactions online have been mixed. Some are alarmed by the increasing intensity of unusual weather events. Others are celebrating what they see as a rare gift from nature. Still, one question remains. Are events like this becoming more frequent? Climate experts have long warned that changing global weather patterns could lead to more extreme and unpredictable events, even in regions that were once considered stable. And this storm may be another example of that shift. For now, the ice has melted, the roads are clearing, and life in northern Saudi Arabia is returning to normal. But the images remain. A desert turned white. Hailstones in human hands, and a reminder that even the driest places on Earth are not immune to sudden powerful change. A rare storm, minimal damage, but a powerful signal. Because when ice falls in the desert, people pay attention.